Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, convertible soft top. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, driver airbag, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.